In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design stunning social media posters in Canva. 5 minutes. First, open Canva and sign in so your work saves automatically. Starting logged in also unlocks quick access to your recent designs and brand assets, which will speed you up. On the homepage, use the search bar to find the right canvas. Type social media post or pick a specific format like Instagram story, Facebook cover, or YouTube thumbnail. Choosing a preset ensures your poster is perfectly sized for the platform so you won't have awkward cropping later. Begin with a strong background. You can go with a solid color, a photo, or a gradient. Think about the message and mood. Bold hues for urgency, soft tones for calm, and high contrast colors for readability. If you use a photo, try lowering its transparency or adding a subtle gradient to keep text legible. Now bring in your visuals. Drag your photos onto the canvas and resize using the corner handles. Use the crop tool to reframe the subject and keep key elements within the safe center area so they don't get cut off on different screens. To build layouts quickly, add frames and grids from the Elements tab. Frames shaped like letters or devices let you drop images right inside. Grids make multi-photo designs clean and consistent, and they help align spacing without guesswork. For a polished professional look, try the background remover on product shots or portraits. It isolates your subject in one click, so you can place it over colors, gradients, or graphics without distractions. Clean edges help your design pop. Create depth with layering, duplicate your subject, add a blur or color filter to the copy, and send it behind the main image using the layers or position controls. You can also tuck shapes or graphics behind text to create contrast without clutter. Next, incorporate text and branding. Add a punchy headline, a short subheading, and your logo or handle. Stick to one or two fonts for hierarchy, increase line spacing for readability, and ensure strong color contrast. If text sits on a busy area, place it on a semi-transparent shape. Enhance the layout with shapes, lines, icons, or subtle graphics from elements. Keep a consistent style, repeat colors from your background or photos, and use lines to guide the eye toward your key message. When you're happy, download your poster. Choose PNG for crisp web quality, JPG for smaller file size, or PDF for print. You can also share directly from Canva to your social channels for a streamlined workflow. Save a copy as a template to reuse your layout next time.